Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine. I'm also good. So, we have started a new chapter. The chapter is chapter number 5, Work and Profession. Okay. So, we have learned about the domestic help. We have learned about many professions and what is profession is, why we should work and why people work. Okay. So, we have come across, and now today's our topic is people who work for our country. Okay. So before going to the topic, we will be knowing about the learning objective of today's class. Okay. So today's class we have two learning objectives. The very first one is to learn about the work done by soldiers to protect our country. Okay. And the second one is to develop gratitude and awareness towards the work done by soldiers for our country. Okay. So these two are the learning objective of today's class. Okay. So we know that India is a peninsular country. One side it is having the land and three sides water. Okay. So India is sharing the border with many other countries that we had in map and directions now. मैप और डायरेक्शंस में हमने पढ़ा था ना कि इंडिया अपने बॉर्डर को इट शेयर्स विथ मेनी अदर कंट्रीज लाइक पाकिस्तान, चाइना, भूटान, नेपाल. ओके. एंड नाउ यू नो दैट देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ वॉर. Then who fights and who protect our country from the neighboring enemy countries? Okay. Those who are neighboring friendly countries, we don't need to worry about them, but we need to protect our country from the neighboring enemy countries. Okay. So we all know that China is really behaving very bad. So these countries, they are creating problem for us. Then who, if they fight, if they acquire our land, then who will protect them, protect us from them? They will be the armed forces. Okay. So the armed forces, they protect our country from the soldiers. Not only in the at the time of war they are working. They are working all the time, even in the flood, even in the earthquake. Any natural disaster is there, they are asked for the help and they come and help us. Okay. They are the people who are really protecting our country. They are doing a lot for our country. They are working really hard for our country. Okay. And to become a soldier, it takes a lot of guts also. If you have the guts to die for your country, then only you can be the part of your armed forces, your country's armed forces. Okay. So we have three type of armed forces in our country, and you can see over here they are the army, those people who fight with the enemies, enemy soldiers. They are also the soldiers of our country. So दूसरी कंट्री के आर्मी मैन से जो लैंड पे फाइट करते हैं, दैट मीन्स ऑन जमीन पे जो फाइट करते हैं, द पीपल हु फाइट विद अदर पीपल ऑन लैंड, दे आर कॉल्ड द army. Okay. Army, they fight with guns, with tankers, with many other arms and ammunitions. Okay. And then we have the air force. Air force means air. Air क्या होता है? Air is our the people who are fighting with the fighter jets, fighter planes in air. Airplane means air में move करने वाली चीज हुई ना. So they are fighting with the air guns, air fighter planes, and air jets. Then they are called the army, air force people. Okay. They are also, they are really brave, and they protect our country. Okay. Then we have the naval officers. So as I told you before only, that three sides of India is having water, and we all know that Arabian Sea is there, Indian Ocean is there, and Bay of Bengal is there. So three sides with water. So in water, the people who stay in the ship, they stay in the ship. They fight in water. They have the submarines, they have the ship, and very bravely they fight and protect our borders, our country, we people from the neighboring enemy countries. Okay, so they are really brave and they protect and they are really they work really hard to go to the army. To join the army, they need to be very fit, fine, healthy, and they have to go through many trainings and examinations and hard work to be a army person. Okay, so we should always respect them. Okay, so in today's class we will be learning and about the three types of army people. They are the army, then air force, and the naval officers. Okay, they are called the officers: army officer, navy officer, naval officers, or air force officers. Okay, so as I have made over here, this you should make in your notebook also, and this is your classwork. So while writing, you will be writing the classwork. Okay, beta. So after this, you will be reading. Okay, reading that reading page number 58, and please read for 2 times, as it is really important reading. If you will read, you will understand in a much better way. So students, before reading people who work for our country, I will explain let's try 3 to you. Okay, who help in us in the following situations. ठीक है, यहाँ पे situations दी हुई हैं, इसमें हमको कौन help करते हैं, कौन है जो community workers हैं जो हमको help करते हैं, that we have to write. Okay, there is no water in the tap of Anil's house. He should call a plumber. Okay, tap में water नहीं है तो he needs to call a plumber. Okay, now B. Priya is feeling sick. She should go to अगर आप if you are feeling sick, you go to the doctor. So you will be writing over here doctor. Okay. Priya's father has to mend his torn shoes. He should go to the प्रिया के फादर को अपने शूज ठीक कराने हैं तो कहाँ जाएंगे? ही विल गो टू द कॉबलर. सो वी विल राइट ओवर हियर कॉबलर. ओके, देन रानी हैज़ टू बाई फ्रेश fruits and vegetables. She should go to fresh vegetable seller को हम क्या बोलते हैं? We say them green grocer. So she has you have to write over here green grocer. Okay. Then we have Rohit. Rohit wants to get a haircut. He should go to a barber. Okay, he should go to a barber. अगर हेयर कट चाहिए तो आपको कहाँ जाना है? बार्बर के पास. So you will be writing over here barber. Okay, do this. This is your classwork only. Okay, and write over here classwork date और classwork आप यहाँ लिखेंगे. Okay, now people who work for our country. Now we are going to read people who work for our country. The first they are called the soldiers. So we will be reading about the soldiers. Okay, our country has many neighboring countries. With some of these countries we share the boundary or border of our country. Our country is also surrounded by seas and oceans. Soldiers or armed forces, who are also called officers, protect us from any danger that may come through land, water or air. Okay, so this I explained you. Now we will be reading about the Air Force officer. You can see a Air Force officer. Please draw this Air Force officer in your notebook. Okay, so Air Force officers protect us from dangers that may come through air. They are a part of our Indian Air Force. They fly fighter airplanes. Okay, so you can see a Air Force officer. He fights with fighter airplanes. Okay, now we have army officers. Army officers protect us from attack on land. They are a part of our इंडियन आर्मी. दे फाइट विद गन एंड अदर आर्म्स. ओके, टैंकर्स होते हैं, गन्स होते हैं, उनसे ये लैंड पे फाइट करते हैं. और अभी तो चाइना के साथ दे आर फाइटिंग ऑन हैंड ऑल्सो विद द विदाउट एनी गन्स. सो वी नीड टू बी वेरी रेस्पेक्टिव फॉर दोज पीपल. ओके, नेवल फोर्सेस. ओके, नाउ नेवल फोर्सेस. Naval officers protect us from dangers through sea and oceans. Okay, they are a part of our Indian naval force. They stay on the ship that have many fighter guns and arms. And there is a submarine also. We should know about the submarine also, जो पानी के अंदर ही रहता है और बहुत दूर तक जाता है. ठीक है, उसका ऊपर दिखाई नहीं देता. सबमरीन मतलब कि सी के अंदर डूबी हुई जहाज हम बोल सकते हैं, अंदर रहने वाली जहाज. ओके, सो यू कैन सी हियर एयरफोर्स ऑफिसर ड्रॉ दिस. And army officer, you can see over here army officer, you can see here naval officer. Okay, so these three people are really respective people and we should respect them. We should always be good with them. Please read this. So children, I have made a card for our brave soldiers, and this is one I have written real superheroes. I made the Indian flag and 2 soldiers. Okay, then if we open this, you can see thank you I have written. We have to make a thank you card now, so I have written thank you. And then I have written a quotation that our flag does not fly because of the wind moves it. It flies with the last breath of each soldier who died protecting it. Okay, then again I have written here thank you Indian Army, and we are saluting them. Okay, so you have to make a thank you card for Indian soldiers, and whosoever a soldier is there, you have to send. Before sending, you just click a picture and then give it to send it to me. Profession is important. Okay, so with this I am completing this class. Goodbye. Have a good day and stay healthy, stay safe and be healthy. Okay, goodbye.